Okay, we're going to wrap up this project. First, I'm going to close my materials manager. Okay, so now your mission in life here is to render a nice, well-composed scene. Okay, and that includes, like finding a really nice camera angle, zooming in and out, making placing objects so that's a nice composition. Like in the previous video, I said you can be creative. You can put in more trees, small trees, little tiny candy canes. You can even make a second snowman if you wanted to. And you will render this. And uh, let's go up to the director's clapboards again. We've been doing render view throughout this whole project. There's a couple things: render to picture viewer and edit render settings. Let's look at edit render settings first. And if you click the output parameter here, it should default to width 1280, height 720, resolution 72. For this initial project, that's fine. As we progress, we'll have more high-res renders. The main thing to make sure you have is global illumination should be enabled. Okay, so your render settings should look like this. None of this other stuff needs to be enabled and shouldn't be enabled. Okay, so basically we're just using the default render settings. Secondly, if we click render to picture viewer, it'll take some time to render it. Okay, so whenever you get a scene and a shot that you like, you will click the render to picture viewer, and then you will go file and file and save image as. In the format, choose JPEG because the default is a TIFF, but just save it as a JPEG, and everything else we can keep okay, keep the same. Click OK. Navigate to your snowman folder. Now you'll notice in here you have this ILLUM and a text. Remember this text folder, Cinema 4D put that in there when we added the image to the sky. So that's fine, that's okay. This illumination is data that Cinema 4D needs to render an image with global illumination. So with the snowman folder selected, I heartily suggest you do this, get used to doing this. Make a new folder and call it renders. Because I'm a little bit weird, I put underscore, then the word renders, because in complicated projects you're going to have many, many, many renders, a whole bunch. So click create, and then this is being saved as snowman, my name. Now I did 3 iterations of mine because of the demo I was doing. Yours might be snowman, your name 001. That's cool. Click save, and you're good to go. Let's go into Finder again. Where are we? Oops. Okay, so again, here's my render. This is what I will upload. This you will upload a JPEG render, and you will upload your last Cinema 4D file. You can see the C4D file is very small, 663 kilobytes. If you're my student, I want 2 things. I want the JPEG, your very best composition, and I want the last snowman scene Cinema 4D file that you created, so 2 files. So congratulations, you made it through the Snowman project. Again, I know I'm repeating myself here. Do take your time to make a nice composition. Be creative. Just show me your best work, and I hope you had fun with this.